Chapar Terracotta is a SFURTI cluster situated at Dhubri district of Assam. Indian Institute of Entrepreneurship, Guwahati entrusted as a nodal agency of the cluster. This cluster was sanctioned under the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises at 27 SSC in 2018. This cluster was declared as a functional cluster from 2021. The Common Facility Center (CFC) and the worksheet are completed in the cluster and machineries are also installed. This cluster is situated at the heart of Dhubri district 240 kilometers away from the state capital Guwahati. The importance of the cluster is that the people of Dhubri are producing and using various terracotta products into their day-to-day life since immemorial. The products are like religious idols, Diyas and many more. Therefore, SFURTI, the scheme for fund regeneration for traditional industries, have identified this area for project implementation. After SFURTI was implemented in this area, the motivation among the artisans have increased and they can be easily transformed from traditional methods to modern use of tools in terracotta. Terracotta has played an important role in the tradition of cottage industry in India as well as in Assam. Keeping in view of the growing importance of traditional terracotta products, as SFURTI project has identified this cluster for reinvent traditional industry, and here the story begins. Terracotta is the primary activity of the people of this area. Hiramati soil, a prime ingredient for the terracotta products, has been found locally in large quantities near the cluster area, which proved to be an added advantage for the cluster. The main products of the cluster are terracotta dolls, decorative items, small dolls with diyas, decorative pots, Earthen Diyas, Kolshi water filter, terracotta hoses, terracotta jewellery, traditional pots, etc. SFURTI is some story of the transition from traditional to modern. The traditional artisans have trained up how to use modern methods and technologies and also strengthen knowledge of modern designs so that terracotta products may fulfill the requirements of the modern competitive market with modern designs and patterns.
Design nasile hatere bonaisilu এতিয়া ডিজাইন আহি পাইছে আমাৰ চৰকাৰৰ মেচিনবিলাক স্পৰ্টি মেচিনবিলাক দিয়াৰ পিছত আমি এনেকুৱা সিস্টেমত ডিজাইন বহু ধৰণৰ ডিজাইন আমি পাইছো সেই ডিজাইনত আমি বিক্ৰী কৰিবলৈ পাইছো আৰু সুবিধাও পাইছো যে এনেকুৱা ডিজাইন আগতে নাছিলে আজিকালি এইটো মেচিনৰ কাৰণে এনেকুৱা ডিজাইন আহি আছে আৰু
More stress is given to new marketable products for development. After SFURTI implementation, special focus is given on revival of traditional products by providing new designs and value additions. Decorative items are now getting attention from the local as well as foreign consumers and buyers. Therefore, more stress will be given to producing decorative items like sculptures. An online marketing system also developed so that outside buyers can easily access new products, price and its demand. One of the artisans said, after the implementation of SFURTI, training was provided where I can learn how to use the modern machines, and during the training, nowadays I can make products as per market demand. With the help of modern machines and training, we are able to produce more quality and high-end products.
যেটো আমি কাম কৰি বহুত ভাল পাইছোঁ মানে 4খন দিছে 5খন দিছে এইটো দিছে তাৰপিছত আমি যেতিয়া জিগাজলি কাম কৰি বহুত আৰাম পাইছোঁ।
All these These machines are provided by SFURTI, and I am grateful to the Government of India for providing us the CFC and other facilities. He said, before the implementation of SFURTI, my income was less and also I have earned very less money, and also we have produced a lesser quantity of products in the traditional way. After the implementation of this project at our Chapar Terracotta Cluster, we were able to complete more designable products and sell them in the local market, and also participated in the national and international exhibitions and earned a handsome amount of money. Now I can produce a quantity of products and earn more, and also we can live a better life. As we have started working in the CFC, our production increases and it leads to doubling the income of the artisans. Here is the story of Dilip Sarkar. He said, after the use of modern machines and the training provided to me under this SFURTI scheme by MSME, it has improved my quality of life far better, and the well-equipped products also fascinated and engaged more customers than earlier. Now I can earn more in a short span of time. I would like to thank the Government of India for providing us the CFC and facilities.
আমি সিটু গভর্নমেন্ট অফ ইন্ডিয়ার স্ফুটি স্কিম আন্ডাৰত কাম কৰি আছোঁ। আমার এনজিও ব্রহ্মপুত্র ভিলি অর্গানাইজেশন, চাপার টেরাকোটা প্রডিউসার্স কোঅপারেটিভ সোসাইটি, আমার ইয়ার লোকেল এজেন্সি মানে IIE গুৱাহাটী নডাল এজেন্সি, তেখেতৰ থ্ৰুদি আমি যিটো গভৰ্নমেণ্ট অফ ইণ্ডিয়াৰ স্ফুটি স্কিম পাইছোঁ, সেই স্কিমটোৰ ইয়াত খুব ফলপ্ৰসূ এটা স্কিম। আৰু এই স্কিমৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ যি 430জন আৰ্টিচান আছে, 32জন, আমি 500 আৰ্টিচান টাৰ্গেট আছে। সেই 500 আৰ্টিচানক আমি এই কামটো যাতে নতুনকৈ মানে পুনৰুজ্জীৱিত কৰিব পাৰোঁ,